Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my YouTube channel Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is green gram dosa. Green gram is an excellent source of plant-based protein. Consuming green gram dosa can help fulfill your daily protein requirements, especially for vegetarians and vegans. Green gram is low in calories and contains a good amount of dietary fiber. This combination can help you feel fuller for longer, aiding in weight management and preventing overeating. The high fiber content in green gram dosa supports a healthy digestive system. It can help prevent constipation, improve bowel movements, and promote overall gut health. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup or 250 grams of green grams. Clean 2 to 3 times and soak it overnight. Next day morning, drain the water. If you want green gram dosas crispy, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of rice while soaking. Add soaked green gram, 2 chilies, half tablespoon of cumin, add half inch of ginger. Add little water and grind into paste. Add little water, 1/4 tablespoon of salt and 1 pinch of baking soda. Mix well. Prepare dosas. Cook on medium heat for 2 minutes. Plain green gram dosha is ready. Now let's prepare onion green gram dosha. Add chopped onions and chilies. You can add grated carrot and chopped coriander. Give the recipe a try and kindly share your feedback in the comments. Onion green gram dosha is ready. Serve hot. Serve with peanut chutney or any other chutney. Peanut chutney link is given in the description box. Please watch them. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay connected with me on Facebook and Instagram by following my profiles. Thanks for watching.